Welcome back to Medina County, Texas, GMRS. We're doing the second installment of Show Us Your Shack. We have a couple of shacks or pictures of shacks that were sent in that we're going to showcase today and maybe give y'all some ideas, open up new things that folks may want to do. Let's get them loaded up and take a look. First shack we have today is from Yeedy. I don't have a name, which is perfectly okay. Let's see what he has going on, and I'm going to read you his email as we scroll through the pictures. So it says it's less of a Radio Shack and more of a general tinkering engineering setup. You can already see that the table's finish has come off and gotten burnt from chemicals and soldering. It means you're always tinkering. Included in the pictures are general engineering essentials such as electricity 1.4, good old Baofeng UV5R. He says, I can't use it on GMRS though. A Midland Extra Talk, and not pictured is another Midland radio. Some other things he keeps around are pocket knives, multi-tool, and of course a 3D printer plus laptops. Comes with a bonus messy extension cable for extra hazard and power delivery. So the 3D printer is something that I have thought about doing. I would probably end up blowing it up. If you can, Yeedy, comment below and let us know what kind of things you print. I'm curious. Is it easy? Is it hard? What are your thoughts for a novice like me that is thinking about buying one, or any of you? Actually, any of you who have a 3D printer who can kind of give everybody a little insight. Is it something I can just go buy, set up, and it's easy to use, right? So that would be interesting to know. Yeedy, we appreciate you sending the pictures in, and thanks for participating. All right, next up we have Mr. Scott. Let's see. Let's pull his pictures up. Where do we want to start? Let's start with this list of radios. All right, look at this. He's all set up. So let me read you. Let's see. He has, in this picture, 11 radios showing, let's see, an ICOM, Yaesu, Anytone, Midland, Baofeng. First radio he ever bought was the Baofeng BF F8HP, a Baofeng GT3WP, good old Wuxun, another Baofeng. Let's see, UV5R, and the second radio I bought. Awesome. So I'm curious, Scott, which one is your go-to? Because you got a lot to choose from there. What is your go-to radio? Got them nicely laid out, it looks like. That's a great picture. Yeah, which one is your go-to? I'd definitely be curious. Mine recently has been the TID Radio UV82 because it's got 8 watts of power. It has the dual push-to-talk button, so you don't have to flip-flop back and forth between channels. That's kind of been my go-to. Let's check out the next picture. Let's see. Let's jump to, oh my gosh, that is cool. Monitor to track the ISS, totally awesome. Sky to power, FT991A speaker, love it. Knickknacks and paddywhacks. Scott, this is totally amazing. For anybody who says it looks cluttered, here's my opinion. This is what a shack should look like. And I bet Scott could operate everything on this table blindfolded. I would almost put money on it. That is totally awesome. Propagation maps. Man, you have it going on, sir. Loving it, loving it. Let's check out the next picture. We got some antenna pics. Absolutely. Oh, well, my thing is in the way. Antron 99 mast and pivot point. Good idea. How deep did you have to go down in the dirt there with your concrete, Scott? I'm curious. I love how that lays over, by the way. That is totally amazing. What is it, about 20, 25 feet up there? And, you know, the picture of this of your pivot mast is, and I think I said it in the video where I was featuring the tower we just put up. I paid a lot of money for that pivoting base, and I've seen more pictures of homebrewed pivoting bases on YouTube than I have of that expensive thing I bought. So I wish I would have thought of that. I don't think I'm smart enough to fabricate it though. Let's do another picture. Here are the antennas. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. 11 meter, 20 foot. 2 meter, 70 centimeter, 23 foot. Love the discone. I got a couple of those. Got a 10 meter at 15 foot. Yagi, and the GMRS is 33 feet. Good deal. What is your terrain like where you are, Scott? I'm curious. Are you hitting everything pretty good with that GMRS at 33 feet? Let me know in the comments below. And I think he gives a better description here. Antron 99, yes, CB. Had nothing wrong with CB, man. The Diamond X300A base antenna. Got the Comet. Love the Comet. I got one of those. Fixing to donate it, I believe. Got the HYS Yagi antenna. It's how he connects to other repeaters 16 miles away, that he can communicate with his daughter and my parents. That's awesome. Awesome, awesome. Currently working on my HF antenna setup. Redneck carport canopy removed for Hurricane Ian. Gotcha. Well, we don't have a lot of those here, but I could imagine you'd want to get that tarp off of there if you got any kind of winds coming. So we only had two submissions, on this round. So Yeedy and Scott, thanks for sending those over. I truly think that all of you sharing from the first episode and this installment, I think it gives people ideas on things they can do, and I just think it's helpful for our little channel here and anybody who might flip through these. So if you have pictures of your shack you would like to share, you can give detail. You don't have to give detail. We can just, show the pictures, but I think it's helpful for everybody. As a matter of fact, a few of the things that I did on this latest tower install, a few of the things I kind of stole shamelessly from a few of you guys on the first video. So I just think it's helpful and kind of fun, and kind of opens up communication for all of us to kind of chat about it. So thanks for sharing. I am going to do a video for our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. That'll be coming up within the next 24 hours, and I greatly appreciate y'all sending these in. Subscribe. Come find us on the Facebook groups, Medina County, Texas GMRS, where we do a lot of communicating back and forth, discussions about different things GMRS related, and it's fun. If you're on Facebook, feel free to come and join us. I'll send you in. I'll approve you as soon as you send me the request. I hope y'all all have a great day. Send in your pictures of your shack, and we'll be doing installment number 3 hopefully soon. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a great day.